Hello all my gorgeous, this is Hema from Shivani Boutique, the spreading colors globally boutique. Today I am going to show you super knit kota sarees, the one I am wearing. It is very easily pleatable, zero maintenance, right from morning till evening you can wear it. Professors, teachers and for any sort of conferences, lecturers, absolutely this saree is very comfortable. It's so easy, drapeable, just like that you can wear it within 3-4 minutes time. The first one is this same to same like how I am wearing. It has a beautiful patch on it with this oven border. The saree is really pretty and this is the pallu part for this, and yes, you have got the blouse for this. So nice and elegant. And then the second color in this is this. It's a pink color. All the sarees are one and the same, only the color combinations differs. So this is the pallu part. The third one is the blue. So nice and elegant looking sarees these are. So I have mixed and matched the saree. Then comes the super net. It's a top hit design. See, this is the pallu part. First I have to show you the pallu. So nice and elegant, beautiful patch done, and this is the blouse for this, and the entire saree comes with the embroidery. The second one is the patchwork. All the fabric is one and the same. So this is how it is, and you have got this amazing blouse for this, and the entire saree comes this way. Alright, see this, the highlighting part is this, and the third saree is this. All are different concepts, simple, decent, with an amazing color combination. See this, how beautifully it's looking, and yeah, this part comes this way. So this is how it looks. And then I have got wonderful colors in this. 1, 2, and then 3 beautiful colors we have got. These are all available in Shivani's Boutique, Tirunelveli, Shivani's Boutique, Madurai, KK Nagar, and www.shivanisboutique.com in our website. Then comes our super net with this amazing attached border. See, so nice and elegant it is. Yeah, and you have got this amazing embroidered border with little bit of pabla work here and there. Such a beautiful color it is. Super knit kotas are all time favorite. Doctors, engineers, artists, lot of people can wear the saree because it gives that much of elegance. And the second color in this. The saree is little heavier because you have got this attached borders on either sides. But after draping, it will be so nice and elegant and lightweight as well after draping the saree. Alright, next one is this, all over embroidery. And this is the pallu part for this, and this is the blouse. Blouse is a simple blouse where you can mix and match. So these are all our Kota Doria cotton with a beautiful block on it. See this. So yes, these two saree, and then comes our next oven super net kota. So this is the pallu part for this, and this is the body. Blouse is a plain blouse, and then comes these two saree with the zari borders. So nice and elegant. This is the pallu part for this, and you have got this blouse for this. Pallu is a oven pallu, zari, and the second color is a red color. You have got only little bit of collections left. See this, super net kota. On either sides you have got this border, and the second color is this, and the last piece in this episode is this. Yeah, it's a checks, zari checks all over, and you have got this patchwork done on the pallu, and the entire saree comes with the embroidery, and you have got the same to same blouse for this. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com or as 95855017620. Also number. We are at your service. We'll be back with lots and lots of beauties. Goodbye.